Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy Economic Calendar of the Week. Each week, our news analysts review the upcoming economic events that you should be monitoring during the next week. As we move into the middle of the month, top-tier data and central bank meetings are either behind or ahead, so we can expect a fairly demure week. This week, we'll get the central bank meeting minutes from the RBA, the Bank of England, and the US FOMC. The RBA minutes due on Tuesday could weaken the Aussie, which is trading well above its average trading range. The RBA surprised markets a few weeks ago and cut rates. The minutes will reveal the thinking behind the decision and might offer hints that more to come in terms of rate cuts could put further pressure on the Aussie. The economics calendar is bare on Monday, and with the Greek situation put off until the end of the month after they made the May the 12th IMF payment, markets are expected to be a bit sleepy. Tuesday, there will be a broad range of mid-level data including the UK and Eurozone inflation reports, along with German economic sentiment and US housing starts and building permits. On Wednesday, minutes of the last Federal Reserve meeting are released, and investors will look for clues on the timing of rate hikes. There will be particular focus on the Fed's views when it comes to the labour market. We expect the Fed to look to raise interest rates in the September quarter. On Thursday, no less than 5 separate reports are released. The leading index is issued together with the influential Philadelphia Federal Reserve Survey, existing home sales, Kansas City Federal Reserve Index, and weekly data on jobless claims. In terms of data on existing home sales, economists are expected that rose by 1.2% in April. Across all other indicators, economists expect improvement, potentially underpinning investor sentiment on the broader economy. Key data for the coming week will be PMI figures, which will give us an insight into the state of manufacturing around the world. On Friday, the market flash reading on Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index for May is released, alongside the monthly consumer prices. Also on Friday, market issues flash PMIs for China, France, Germany, and the Eurozone.